Hi YouTube, it's your girl Kimberly. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. Glad you came. So in this video I'm going to be reviewing the Naturium Energizer Mandelic Acid Body Wash. As you can see, I always keep one around because I absolutely love it, and this is one of my favorite body washes currently. If you want to know why, keep watching. Please subscribe to the channel. We're on the road to 5,000 subscribers and I need your help. I can only reach this goal with you. So please subscribe to the channel. If you like this video, like the video. Hit the notification bell if you want to be first to know when I post a video or go live. Share the video with your friends and family. Subscribe on multiple devices. I'm joking, but not really. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Okay, so we're going to talk about this. This is the Naturium Energizer Mandelic Acid Body Wash. So it has a cooling formula that deeply cleanses and neutralizes body odor. So it has mandelic acid, fermented sugarcane, and methyl lactate. So if you want a refreshing shower, so let's say you woke up, got dressed, showered regularly. Well, let's just say you're a hot sleeper and you're sweaty. You come back from you got the day on you. This is such a refreshing body wash. It literally feels like it is cleaning and wiping away, but also nourishing and loving your body at the same time. And it has a rich lather, so it's a rich and plush lather is how they describe it. It starts like a gel cream, but when you lather it in your washcloth, loofah, sponge, African cleansing net, whatever you use to wash, it is going to give a rich, luxurious lather and just envelop your skin in moisture and cleanliness. And it is the best feeling. Like, it is no secret that this body wash is that girl. People are obsessed with it all over social media, TikTok, YouTube. This has quickly become, I would say, like the third place crowd favorite after the multi-oil and the glycolic acid. This is like the one that everybody's talking about now. In use, they describe it as feeling luxurious. The pH level is 4.50 to 5.50, and the feeling after it is refreshed. And they give some more explanation in terms of the skin technology in it, what the different ingredients do. So the mandelic acid has a gentle AHA, which minimizes oil, smooths texture, and creates a lower pH on your skin to promote a ultra clean smelling skin. Fermented sugarcane contains 4 groups of odor eating enzymes that neutralize body odor, and nature identical methyl lactate, which is a cooling agent that provides an instant refreshing feel post cleanse that is mild and non-irritating. So this is not peppermint patty clean that you get with like Dr. Bronner's peppermint. This is not that kind of refreshing. This is a lightweight, natural feeling, almost like you was really showering in the mountain, not Irish Spring, if that makes sense. Like a natural, refreshing, cleansing experience is what this feels like, and I absolutely love it. In terms of the smoother texture, I did notice places on my skin where it was really rough and bumpy, like here on my arm, the back of my legs. It did get smoother, but it didn't get smooth enough compared to what other body wash I use does. And so that was a little disappointing, so I didn't get that smooth element. But what made me keep continuing to repurchase it, mind you, this is my 3rd and 4th bottle. The odor protection is real. So there's times where I'll use my other body wash, which is more creamy as regular Dove. So that way when my skin is dry, it kind of just brings it back to life. And then I get dressed, live in the world. Now granted, I wear deodorant, but once you are sweaty and outside and in the park and doing all the things, you tend to smell like outside. It's just, it is what it is. But on the days where I use this body wash, that smell is very much tempered. It's not as strong, and I can definitely tell the difference from when I use my other body washes. So that's why I keep this around. I usually do like a every other day back and forth between this and another body wash because I do have sensitive skin, and this does have AHA acids and the mandelic acid, just to make sure that my skin doesn't get too sensitive to it or doesn't have any reaction, I just don't use it every day. But if you have normal skin, this, I said, should be your everyday driver body wash in the summer, because it is just that good in terms of the refreshing feeling, the cooling afterward, and minimizing that body odor smell throughout the course of the day. This body wash actually does everything it claims it does, except for the skin smoothing. I did not experience that. I also have KP, so my skin is a little more rough than probably the average person's skin, so maybe that's why I didn't get the skin smoothing. But I'm hoping that maybe by the time I get up to my 6th or 7th bottle, my skin might be smoother, who knows. But I absolutely love this. This is my new favorite body wash, and I will continue to buy it, use it. I love it. So if you have any other questions, in terms of price, I'm pretty sure it was like $16.99 or $15.99. I will leave the price in the description box below for sure, but it was less than $20, and you get 16.9 fluid ounces of product. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any more questions, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.